The Sandy Hook Elementary School shootings have refocused the nation's attention on the state of mental health care in this country. While we do not know exactly what developmental disorders the shooter had, if any, many people are saying it is a reminder that we are not using all available options to treat the mentally ill. News Channel 9's Jerry Askin joins us now with more on that. Jerry.
Hey, Calvin, over the recent years, our country has seen major reductions in funding for mental health. I spoke today to one mental health expert who agrees there's a need for more funding.
It seems reasonable that people who do things like this must have something wrong with them.
Licensed clinical social worker Farley Chastain spends every day working with mentally ill patients.
We are seeing a rise in need for mental health services. There are certainly more identified cases every day.
He works at Park Ridge Valley, a mental health institution for children. He says the rising number of mental health cases nationally should mean more money. But several states are cutting back on mental health funding. You can see here the top 10 states with the greatest cuts over the last 3 years. And Georgia and Tennessee have also taken a cut.
Funding to help people with mental illness absolutely cannot be something that we just forget about.
Carrie Williamson grew up around people with mental health issues.
My grandmother was a paranoid schizophrenic, and my mother is paranoid schizophrenic and bipolar.
And though she doesn't like the stigma associated with people who are mentally ill.
Not all people who are mentally ill are murderers, but not all murderers are mentally ill either.
She says any funding to help her family is vital.
It's easy to cut that funding. But when something horrible happens all of a sudden, you know, oh, why haven't we been taking care of this? Well, we haven't been taking care of it for years.
And to find that full report of numbers and recent mental health cuts by state, head over to NewsChannel9.com. You could also find there a link to how you can help someone in need of mental health services. Latricia, Calvin.
All right, Jerry, thank you.